guys, welcome back to Unintended Acceleration. What we're gonna do today is something very exciting. You know, we just finished the M5. We still need a bumper, probably a few things. We got to put our cutouts on. But today is exciting because what we're gonna do today is we're actually gonna do a cold start and we're gonna go for a drive. So hang tight, watch this video, remember to like, subscribe, and let's get going. Excuse the mess, this is the winter garage, but if you look back there, what you will see is a beautiful M5. Let's go check her out. Alright guys, so while we're sitting here waiting for this beast to warm up so we can go on a little drive, let me just show you the condition of the interior, kind of what options we got going on here. I'm not sure if we're missing some. I know we've got quite a few. I don't think this has the Logic 7. It's got the yellow, the speakers are kind of yellow, so I'm not sure if that's Logic 7 or if that's just a normal. We do have the active bolsters, heated seats. We have the aluminum trim. You know, I actually really like the red. I love the seats. The seats are awesome. This is just an awesome car. We've been throwing a misfire every once in a while, so I do know that I need to buy some coils. It's got new spark plugs, but it doesn't have new coils. But to put an engine together, completely disassembled, put it back in the car, and the only fault you get on startup is a misfire on cylinder 5, that's pretty good. Right, our engine oil is starting to warm up a little bit. I'll turn the heat off and leave the windows a little bit down so you can hear what she sounds like. We'll just cruise her nice and easy until we get up to operating temperature. But we're already about 175 or so on the oil temperature. You guys didn't make the engine misfire while I was gone, did you? All right, we had to go get a Monster Hydro because it's Sunday and we need energy. All right, guys, we are up to operating temperature just about, so heads-up display. I don't know why it gives me that warning. Outside temperature plus 37 degrees Fahrenheit. Who cares? It's warm in here. Work we did on this thing, so you know, this is pretty cool to be able to drive this thing around, and I'll tell you, we do it? Should we do it? We gotta find a church. Actually, no, because it's Sunday. Well, who knows? Maybe with the dang coronavirus, we'll get lucky and nobody will be there. They'll all be doing it from home. Let's see. Dang, church is full. What the heck? We're gonna go to the where they have the car shows and stuff. That parking lot's pretty good for burnouts. Now I read to do this we have to, of course, put it in M mode. DSC has to be off. Transmission has to be on the 6th setting. We push the brake in, hold the gear lever forward, full throttle on the gas. It should hover around 1500 or wherever it does for the US market. As soon as we let go of that, it should be awesome. So let's see what the hype's about. Pretty interested to see. I think it's down this street. Yeah, right here. But there's actually people here. So that's not good. God, guys, can anybody just mind their own business? Can anybody mind their own business on Sunday or what? Don't they know we're trying to do burnouts in this beast? Well, I don't know where to go, guys. Do this around a bunch of people because they're getting called cops. Well, that's lame. Power, man, my RS6, it was fast, but it didn't have that violence, you know. The boost came on really strong, but as soon as the boost, you know, started going away, that engine didn't have no power. This thing's just pure NA. And that's pretty awesome. Not awesome that we can't find somewhere to do launch control. I know where. We'll find somewhere. Don't you worry. down here, boys and girls. Seriously? And they block it off? Look at that giant thing. Those little weasels. Is this entrance open? This is an ugly parking lot. Oh, and we can't even get over there. Let's see what we got right here. You ready, guys? Got it in first. Shifters all the way on the 6th setting. Pull it forward. Yeah, it only goes to 1,500. You ready for this? 3, 2, 1. Wow. That was pretty awesome. All right, guys. Let me turn this bad boy around. Yeah, I'd just like to thank everybody for subscribing, watching Unintended Acceleration. We've got a lot of stuff going on that we're gonna do next. We've still got stuff we're gonna do on the M5, and of course we'll still go on drives and stuff like that with it. Keep posted with upgrades, things that we're gonna do as far as that's concerned. But our next big project, you know, we've got the 496 going in the Corvette, and we're gonna get that put in place. So we've got a wide body we're gonna do for that. That's gonna be sweet. So stay tuned, guys. Remember to like, subscribe, and stay tuned. Let's keep doing it. This M5's running beautiful, guys. You can hear. Unintended Acceleration out.